Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Redmi Note 12s. So in the first tab, open the Play Store. Now look for the fax app, choose one of them. I previously installed that one, so you can launch it. Decide that you want to get notifications and add permissions to the camera and to the files. Now choose the plus to select the source of your document and choose the folder. Okay, like this one for example. Also, you can also select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import, add this shape to your document or the picture, click send, and now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. You can also add a signature, text, and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.